Packs of 6, VAT included, different units. Make competitor prices comparable. Let's start with one competitor's price for a single product. Go to Competitors, then Monitored URLs. Open the Row's Actions menu and choose Set Price Adjustment. In the window that opens, turn on the Set Price Adjustment toggle. Add an optional description, then pick an operator. VAT, multiply, divide, plus, minus, or a percentage. Say the competitor sells a pack of 6 and you sell singles. Choose divided, value 6 for the price per unit. After the URL is analyzed, a live preview shows the result. Click Save and every future price for this URL uses your rule. Need the same fix on many products at once? Select the URLs and click Set Price Adjustment in the selection toolbar. One rule applies to all of them, and with the toggle left off, Save clears their rules instead. When the same correction applies to everything you track from one competitor, open its profile and go to the Price Adjuster tab. Switch it on, choose a mode, like Subtract VAT, enter the value, and save. Every price from this competitor is adjusted automatically. The last tool changes your own prices, not a competitor's. In Settings Product Feed, open your feed's settings with the gear icon. Under Import Price Adjustments, set a percentage. Positive raises your prices, negative lowers them, and every imported product shifts by that amount. And if two of these apply to the same product, Pricefy runs the competitor-wide adjuster first, then the single URL rule on top. So every dashboard, repricing rule, and export uses the adjusted price. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@pricefy.io.